how to reset location settings on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to reset your location settings on iPhone, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open your settings app and then click on General. Now, go ahead and click on it, and in the general settings, keep scrolling down until you find reset. But before we move to the next step, don't forget to give a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Once you've clicked on reset, you'll see several options. Look for the reset option and then click on it, and then you'll see different options such as reset all settings, reset network settings and all. Click on reset location and privacy. Click on it, then it will prompt you to enter your passcode. So after entering your passcode, a message will appear letting you know that this will reset your location and privacy settings to factory defaults. Just click on reset settings and that's it. You've successfully reset your location settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.